Hello dear students, this is Vivek Vaibhav and you are watching video lecture on Earth as a planet. Do you understand? Earth is a unique planet and what is the reason behind it? If you don't have idea, go through my last video lectures and you can easily understand all the things. Dear students, what is the reason behind it and why Earth is called a unique planet? So, dear students, we have so many things in this video. What is the evidence? What is the evidence regarding this? Evidence to substantiate the theories of shape of the earth. Dear students, in the last video lecture, we have already understood shape of the earth. What is all about the diameter through poles, both poles, north and south poles, and regarding equator. It is totally different, and you know that the shape of the earth not spherical, neither spherical nor flat. It is oblate spheroid. That means actual shape is geoid in shape. Okay. So dear students, this is all about the last video lecture. Now we are going to discuss evidences to substantiate the theories of the shape of the earth. Dear students, first two evidence, that is the circumnavigation of the earth and the circular horizon, we have already understood in the last video lecture. So moving towards another evidence, we have the visibility of the ship. If you visit coastal area, quite often than not, you notice that things ship approaches the land, the mast appear first, and the hull, that is outer covering area. When the ship leaves the harbor, the opposite happens. That means vice versa. The entire vessel would have been visible if Earth was flat. Dear students, if Earth was flat, you can see like that. Look at this, like that. Since Earth is spherical, that's why we have seen like that. Okay, this is the actual evidence why Earth is spherical. Look at this. If it is flat, the picture will be another. That means like this. Okay, so this bottom shape is appear, and here we have initial stage of the ship. Look at the variation in picture. Variation through distance. When ship go far away, only we can see hull. So dear students, now another evidence we have sunrise and sunset. As you daily observe sunrise and sunset from the time to time and place to place. Place located in the east are first to see the sunrise due to the rotation of the earth from the west to east. Dear students, if was flat, earth is flat, the phenomena wouldn't have been possible like that. So it shows that earth is spherical, almost spherical in shape. Dear students, look at this picture. One is From in the middle, we have the place of Indonesia, Palu. That means it is the place of equator. This is New Zealand, the southern hemisphere place, and the Germany, the northern hemisphere place. Look at the scenario of the sun, the variation, the slant. If Earth is flat, definitely we have scenario like that. The Palu. The path of the sun observed from multiple locations on the Earth's surface cannot possibly occur on a flat surface. Definitely, if it is flat. The path of the sun is consist only if Earth is sphere. So it is also here proved Earth is spherical. Now lunar eclipse. So dear students, during lunar eclipse, that means you have seen in this picture, just see this picture, when Earth come between sun and moon, it is lunar eclipse. You might have learned this thing in your lower geographical class. So just look at this. If this picture will not be happen only that condition if during the lunar eclipse the shadow of the earth on the moon is in shape of an arc. It is possible just because it is spherical. If it is flat, definitely arc will not be formed. So it is also evidence of what? Earth is almost spherical. Now position of the polar star. Do you have idea? Polar star is overhead in the North Pole. If the Earth were flat, then the pole star would have been overhead at all. Wouldn't have been overhead at all places on the Earth. The pole star is located overhead, North Pole, as a Earth is spherical. Look at this position. This is North Pole situations. When the Earth move like that, move like that, move like that. This is the actual position. Now effect of gravity. As you know that the effect of gravity on Earth almost equal of the object's weight nearly all the place on the Earth. So weight of the substance is related to the effect of force of gravity on that substance. An object weighs nearly the same all the place on the Earth. This proves that the force of gravity is almost equal at all places on the Earth. It is only possible if the Earth is spherical. Now, moving towards another evidence, we have the planetary bodies are spherical. Definitely, if you visit through telescope, definitely you find the many bodies, heavenly bodies in the sky is what? Spherical body. So all planetary bodies like sun, moon, you can easily visit all the time. Sun look like what? It is a spherical. Moon look like, if you see in the full moon night, it is spherical. Satellites, definitely moon is satellites. Stars is spherical in shape. This has been observed through telescope. Definitely they are strictly spherical. So it is evident that the earth by the analogy cannot be exception. So earth is spherical. Look at this. These all are spherical. Now last but not the least, the Bedford level experiment. Dear students, you can easily identify through this experiment. Dear students, in the Britain, there is the canal, Bedford level canal. So this experiment was held on that canal. There are three poles A, B, and C like that. A, B, and C. Okay, three poles we have fixed at the interval of 5 km each, assuming that the pole would have been rising to the same height above the water level of the canal. When the three poles were seen through the telescope, the line of the strait intersect within middle point of the pole B. The middle pole B was higher definitely by 1.8 meter from the pole A and C. This definitely shows that Earth is curved in situation. If Earth was flat, this would have not been possible. What? Middle pole is greater than 1.8 meter from the poles of A and C. So this shows what shows A and B is this shows Earth is spherical. So dear students, this is all about the evidences we have through which we can easily understand that Earth is spherical in shape, not flat. Okay dear, thank you so much. Keep watching this videos. Thank you so much.